Hi guys, Lexus GX550 does not come with a dedicated holder for the or compartment for the sunglasses. Today we'll show you this little accessory. This is a holder for the sunglasses. It's magnetic. This one gets installed on top of the sun visor. Push it in all the way. And now you can attach your sunglasses to this holder, and as you can see, it works perfectly. Once you need your sunglasses, you can simply pull it off like this and use it. Very cool accessory, guys. If you're interested, we will leave you a link in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next video.